You want your students to read complex texts, but complex texts are just that. They are complex. They are difficult, and students struggle to comprehend and learn from them. So how do you help your students stay motivated when reading complex texts? That's coming up in this video. Hi everyone, I'm Lee Hall from Literacy Teachers, and I'm all about giving you the tools you need to inspire, motivate, and change how your students read and write for academic success. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you get notifications because I put out new videos each week. So today we're going to be talking about how do you help students stay motivated when reading complex texts. And the trick, or a central key to doing this, is through the use of motivational scaffolding. So what do we mean by motivational scaffolding? Let's break that down a little bit. I'm going to assume that you're familiar with the concept of motivation and how you might help students become more motivated to read in general, but you might be less familiar with the term scaffold. So in education, scaffold, and when we scaffold, we're modeling, demonstrating, and providing a range of support. It could be more or less. It's going to fall on a continuum as needed in order to help kids comprehend whatever text that they're being given, or to help them write any text you want them to write. So an example of a scaffold could be a graphic organizer, where initially you're teaching kids how to pull specific pieces of information from a text and then put it into their own words, and they may not have those skills. That could be it is a very difficult skill to learn, as a matter of fact. So giving them a graphic organizer helps them know what kinds of information you want them to pull out, where to put it, and then how to translate that into their own words. Now, at some point, you would take the graphic organizer away because students would have acquired those skills. They would be able to have a list of questions that you gave them or that they've generated, read text and pull information out and write it. But at first, that's too much. So we give them this graphic organizer to help scaffold them, to give them some support. That's what we're talking about here with complex text. It's the idea of motivational scaffolding. So motivational scaffolding is giving students support that is intended to keep them motivated while they're engaging with complex text. And there's a number of ways that you can go about this. So first of all, you can set specific goals for them, right? This can be answering a certain amount of questions. It could be reading a certain number of pages. It could be, you could set time limits. You could set time goals. We're going to engage with this text for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, etc. And then we're going to take a break so that they know that a break is coming. Something is going to come that's going to sort of relieve them a little bit of the stress. They can clear their head and get back in it. So setting some specific reading goals for them, giving them purposeful questions to answer, okay? Not just turning them loose on a complex text, but either you're giving them some questions to answer, or you've generated a list and they're going to, pick so many from that list. Or maybe they are reading the text and expected to ask their own questions, okay? Not necessarily answer them, but come back with, what questions do you have? Or you could have them read the text and say, what are things that what are words that you don't know? What are things that confuse you? What are things that interest you that you would like more information on? So giving them some kind of a purpose will help to keep them motivated and engaged when reading complex text, because they know what to pay attention to. They have a filter for reading that text. That'll help them sort of sift through what they need to pay attention to and what they can leave out. And finally, you want to give them specific praise. There's nothing wrong with giving them praise. Give them specific praise on how they are engaging with the text. So if you see them using a specific strategy, or they call you over, they're confused about something, you ask them about what kind of strategy might help them. They apply it, you see that they've applied it, you give them specific praise on how they use that particular strategy well. Or you just give them specific praise because you could tell that they are sticking with it, right? They are working on, addressing whatever purpose has been set, and they're doing it. So let them know that you see that. Give them specific praise as well. So giving this motivational scaffolding is going to help keep students on track, but it's also going to help them increase their overall comprehension of complex text because they're going to stay engaged with it. They're going to keep reading it. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe so you can catch all of my videos. And while you're at it, head down to the comments. Let's talk about motivation. Let's talk about scaffolding. Let's talk about motivational scaffolding. But let's talk about, how do you challenge your students to read complex text? What struggles do you have in keeping them motivated and engaged to read those texts? Share your questions, share your advice. I look forward to hearing your stories, and I look forward to helping you move forward with your journey.